छाया आसमान, देखो झूमता गगन, हे छाया आसमान, देखो झूमता गगन,
The members of the club mentorship committee are having a party. They are celebrating their success in finding a scapegoat to be the next president of the club. It is 12 midnight. Suddenly a realization strikes Rotarian Ashok, who is the only sober one in the room. The installation is scheduled for the next day, but the board has not yet been formed. The group immediately holds a meeting. They decide to nominate someone to help the president. But they know that only someone who is completely disconnected from the club's affairs will accept this responsibility. Rotarian Ram was unanimously selected. Ram readily accepts since he is drunk. The CMC tells him that he is being selected for his looks, and he falls for it.
छाया आसमान, देखो झूमता गगन।
Oh my God. These CMC meetings, new year, new president, new headache. Ashok and his newfangled ideas. Why can't we do things like we did during Santa's year? Just make him a president and let him do what he wants. All these ideas now for CMC members helping the president to form a board. And I never got all this help. Nonsense. And now I have to help Nandita form the board. I hardly know half of the members. Look what I have got into. I agreed to join CMC thinking that as usual, all I had to do was give some advice. Okay, let's get down to it. Hi Nandita.
Hey Ram.
Hey, congrats on being made the next president.
Thank you so much, Ram.
Hey, we have had our CMC meeting and I was nominated to discuss what's going on with you.
CMC? What is CMC? Anything to do with Vellore?
No. What? You have not heard of it? My God. CMC is the club something committee. What was the word? Sorry, I also forgot. Frankly, I also never heard of it just till a few days ago. Most people had forgotten about the CMC. Anyway, It's basically a group of over-enthused past presidents who will see that you form the club board and somehow get through the 12 months of ordeal of being a president.
Okay.
You've heard of our motto, isn't it? No. Even this you've not heard, Nandita.
Kind of.
We are with you always with unsolicited advice.
But Ram, why were you chosen for this task?
My overall personality, I think. And because I have not attended most of the meetings in the last few years. So I have no hidden agendas and I'm not involved in the politics of the club.
Personality? That's one thing I don't have a problem with. You know, I have written a book on personality.
Really?
Yeah. Let me get you a copy.
Oh, okay. So, what's the board like, Nandita? Secretary, have you thought of anyone?
Yeah, Dr. Kurian, he will be the secretary.
Dr. Kurian, Dr. Kurian. Is he a member of this club? You know, you have to appoint only club members.
Oof. Anyways, I'll handle this.
Yeah? Hello? She cut the call.
He's past presidents, I tell you.
From her conversation with Ram, Nandita has got a flavor of what lies ahead for her. Poor girl. She must now talk to the identified members and convince them all by herself. And there is someone waiting to topple her boat. Yes, a crocodile. You must be wondering who this is. Yes, some of you might have guessed it. It is Rotarian and waiting for a controversy, you corrupt minds. This crocodile is Neighbors Envy Crocodile. He is there sensing a crisis and is waiting to topple Mid-City boat. Will it succeed? Wait and watch. Being a seasoned speaker and an author, Nandita devises strategies for each person. And being a businesswoman, she also takes this as an opportunity to sell her books. Smart girl. She starts with Dr. Kurian for the secretary's post.
Hello.
Hello? Kurian?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, hi Nandita. How are you?
I'm good. Hope all's well with you also?
Yeah, fantastic. How can I help
Okay.
you? Tell me.
Yeah, Kurian, you know why I called you? Because as you know, now I'm the new president of the club, right? And I'm looking for suitable candidates for the different positions in our club. And I would
Okay.
like you to be the secretary, Kurian.
What? Me? I have been in the club barely a year.
Huh? I can't hear you, Kurian. You're breaking up, lines
Hello?
are breaking. Anyway, what I was
Oh,
saying is, I'm planning to make a complete makeover of this club this year and bring people with great personalities onto the board. And you know what? I am always been so impressed with your dressing sense. And your vocational talk this year, I think, was one of the best we had in our club.
that is true. But hey, time for a change in the glamour quotient. In fact, I've always admired you for your perfect teeth. As president, you can certainly set an example of how important a good teeth is to an overall personality.
You are right. I'll add this as a chapter in my new book, Dressology Reloaded. Teeth, the window to the world. You know, in fact, I'm planning to cover several other organs and how to maintain them in my new book.
Okay, but what about the responsibilities of the secretary? You see, I have my clinic, working at the computer, taking minutes and posting birthday wishes. That is not what I want to get my teeth into, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, I know. That's all so boring. But you don't worry. I have found you a joint secretary. He will take care of everything. The minutes, wishing people at 12 o'clock in the night. He is very fast in typing as well. So you can continue with your clinic.
Oh, in that case, I'm okay. I'm in.
Oh, so that's settled. Wonderful to have you on board, Rotarian Korean. Give my love to Anne. Anne. Yeah, Anne. Okay, bye.
Oh, okay, bye.
छाया आसमां देखो झूमता गगन हे छाया आसमां
Deepak.
Hi, Nandita.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
Deepak, you know why I'm calling you? Since this year I have been appointed as the new president of the club, I'm looking for suitable candidates for the key positions. And I want you to be the club trainer this year, Deepak.
Oh no, I can't. I'm traveling every week, and Rakhi being so busy, she wants me to spend more time at home. Though I do not do much work at home.
Please, Deepak, you can't say no to me. I need someone like you who can inspire this club. Unlike the earlier club trainers, you are the kind of personality our club needs. Just look at your overall personality, Deepak. You have fantastic dressing sense. That jubba you wore for Onam, people were talking about it even after the event was over. And that Tiruvadura dance, the way you got the team together and those steps, and that too in a matter of minutes, it was brilliant. That's a true leader. And you know what? I have devoted one entire chapter of my book to your kind of leadership personalities.
Really? That dance was so popular?
Of course.
Well, I had taken some classes during my LKG where I was the best dancer in the large group of 2 dancers. But I'm sorry, Nandita. Why don't you talk to Bijoy? He's a fantastic trainer. He has trained so many people in this club. Some have even left the club and gone to higher studies.
No, Deepak. The main aspect which has always impressed me have been your jokes. Do you know, many members come for the meetings only to listen to your jokes, especially the A ones.
Is that?
Yeah,
Is that really?
yeah,
Like my jokes?
of course.
Rakhi, Bijoy and others try to pull me down all the time and they say the jokes are crude and over the top. I am so happy to hear it, Nandita. And I will take up this job. Nandita, I will do it. And and send me a copy of your book. I think I will need to prepare the year to round off my well-bodied personality.
Thanks so much, Deepak. I'll send you a copy of your books. And don't forget those jokes, huh?
See, I can't believe till now I thought nobody likes my jokes. I do not know. Do you know that I have also written but did not have the guts to publish my book? It's called The Best 100 Dirty Jokes.
Really?
Yes. And Vipin, send me 100 copies of your book. I will distribute it to the Bharati headquarters too.
Sure, Deepak. Thanks. Bye. That's done.
छाया आसमां में, देखो झूमता गगन है छाया आसमां में जहां।
Hi, Nandita Pandey. How are you?
Hi, Rajiv. How are you? Rajiv, you know, I'm going to be the next president of our club. And I'm looking for suitable candidates for the key positions. And I want you to be the club service director this year. Rajiv, I have to tell you, I've always been so impressed with your dressing sense, your well-trimmed beard, your prim and proper demeanor.
Nandita, don't bother with your muska on me. I have no choice. As the next year president, I have to take up the club services director role this year. So don't waste your time on me. Talk to the next person.
Okay, then it's fine. Rajiv, do you want me to send you a copy of my book, How to Maintain a Beard? Rajiv? Hello? Hello?
छाया आसमां में, देखो
Hi, Nandita.
Hi, Anup. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Ah,
Anup, I'm going to be the new president of the club next year. And actually, I'm looking for suitable candidates for the key positions. And I want you this year to be the community service director. And, please don't refuse me, Anup. Let me tell you one thing. I watched you closely the entire of last year. And you're one of the most magnetic personalities. And your dress sense, I tell you, and even I have to talk about your sense of commitment. This is the exact kind of person I'm looking for to make a changeover on the board. And you are so brilliant as the secretary, one of the best secretaries Mid-City has had. In fact, I would say the district. And your dress sense,
thank you. Thank you.
matching face masks and all, too much. You are actually an example, which, I have referred to without naming you in my book. If you want, I can send you a copy. It's only 400 rupees.
Nandita. I just finished a very stressful year. It's not easy to match clothes with Priya every meeting and also satisfy NK. But I did my best. By the way, people were that impressed? Really?
Of course. In fact, that shirt you wore for the Zoom meeting last week, lots of people were referring to it. The style, especially that material. Oh, wasn't it chambray? That's chambray, right?
Nandita, I have a poor connection. Siri, quickly, tell me about chambray. Nandita, yes, the line is clear now. You are talking about chambray. It is. I'm surprised all of you noticed. Well, chambray is a light to medium weight plain weave cotton fabric which has subtle variation in color between the warp and weft threads. Generally, it comes in blues, grays, and blacks, but you do get other colors. It's easy to sew and it wears well, often used for shirts and tops.
Thank you, Anup. I'm so happy to have you on board. Thanks once again. Bye.
Siri, thank you.
देखो झूमता गगन है छाया आसमां
Hi, Dee.
Hello, sweetie.
I wanted to see you so badly. That's why I said we'll do a Zoom call. Your dress is looking so beautiful.
Thank you so much. मैंने ऑस्ट्रेलिया से लिया है.
Doesn't matter. Whatever you wear, no, it's always be the best. Dee, what happened? Yesterday, I bought 25 packets of Kaju Katli from Shri Mithai.
25 boxes. I never knew you liked Kaju Katli so much. Shall I ask Shri Mithai to deliver some more?
No. I don't like Kaju Katli. I bought it just for the boxes. They look so beautiful. You're too good at making them, Dee. I must tell you.
Is it so?
हाँ तो मैंने आपको कभी झूठ बोला है दी?
हाँ, वो तो है. Shri Mithai will do anything for my boxes. They even send their car and driver for my shopping. Any emergency at home, I'll call Shri Mithai first, not Sushil.
I'm not surprised. That is the magic of your boxes, Dee. Dee, I'm looking for treasurer next year and I can't think of anyone else but Sushil. Dee?
No, Nandita. नहीं. He has got lots of work. उनका ना factory का काम है, घर पे इतना काम है. With these lockdowns being so unpredictable, who will wash the dishes and clean the house? तुझे पता ही है ना, मेरे पास तो dishwasher भी नहीं.
अरे दी, I will send you my book. It's titled 60 Tasks in 60 Seconds.
No, Nandita. This treasurer's job is very tough.
It's easy, Dee. This year, all the meetings are going to be on Zoom only.
Oh, then certainly he can't do it. He hates Zoom. Cheeni aap hai na. See, even now he refuses to be seen on Zoom. Arey, आओ तो देखो भागे.
Arey Dee, you know, this year they are collecting also only half the subscription charges. So the work is also half only now.
Is it so? Then okay, समझो हो गया. He will be your treasurer.
Great. Shall I talk to him then?
No, not necessary. मैंने बोल दिया ना. Consider it as done.
Oh, love you, Dee. Bye.
Bye.
छाया आसमां में, देखो झूमता गगन, है छाया आसमां में जहां.
Hello,
Hi, Govardhan.
who is this?
This is Nandita Pandey.
Hello, Ji. How are you?
I am good, and I know you are also going strong. In fact, I called to tell you that, you have such a multifaceted personality, and your dressing sense is so amazing. You always dress for the occasion, Govardhan. That's so nice,
Ji, I don't care much, Ji, about dressing. If you have, all you have to do is to dress neatly, and that's all. It's not important to pay attention to dress.
Yeah, I understand all that. But your acting skills, I remember, they're simply amazing. Everyone was talking about that Swamiji skit. So well you did it.
That's nothing, Ji. I just wore one dress and did something. Not very important, Ji, not very important.
Yeah, I know. But, you are one of the best chartered accountants I have met. I have seen your report on Kachur. It was brilliant. And the whole board has been talking about that report of yours.
Ji, thank you so much, Ji. Is it so?
Yeah.
Being a CA is not easy, Ji.
Hmm.
I'm very happy at least the board liked what I prepared, Ji, and I read it, all my reports.
Of course. That is why I want you on my board, Govardhan.
No, Ji. I don't have time for all this, Ji. I have a lot of bank audits to do, Ji.
No. Don't worry. This is the post for joint secretary. Kurian is the secretary. He will do all the job. And he is very good in computers,
Ji, what is that I should audit in that report, Ji?
You don't have to audit anything. But if you insist, maybe you can audit the MOMs that Kurian prepares. And, I have a book. It's called An Auditor's Handbook for Dressology.
Wow, what?
Your copy. It's only 500 rupees. Hello?
छाया आसमां में, देखो झूमता गगन, है छाया आसमां में जहां.
Hi, Nandita.
Hi, Nareen. How are you?
Hi.
Nareen,
I'm good.
I'm going to be the next president of our club. And
I heard.
Suitable candidates for the key positions in our club. And this time, I want the board with a new look. Basically, I want to bring personality to the board, if you get what I'm saying. And I want you to be the director for community health. I felt that your excellent dressing sense, it'd be ideal for the...
I heard you have said that to a lot of the others too. But I have no idea of the responsibilities of the community health. Can you tell me what I do? What I have to do? I have a clinic and I travel to Bangalore every week when COVID is over.
Responsibilities, it will be very light. But what you're supposed to do also, I really don't know. Actually, I've been
I know, but
finding board members who can basically dress well. Frankly, if you ask me, I don't know what I'm supposed to do as a president also. But, I think we can leave that job to the club trainer. Thanks so much, Naren, for agreeing. Bye. Yes.
छाया आसमां में, देखो झूमता गगन है छाया आसमां में जहां
Hey, Nandita. How are you, Macha?
How are you?
All well, Nandita. Heard, Macha, you have become the new president next year, huh?
Yeah.
Congrats. I know it's a difficult post, especially when Bhupesh is not around. He can't come home every night, isn't it? Very often.
Yeah, that's an issue. See, thanks so much, Sumit. Only you are the one who understands my problem in this club.
So, Macha, Bhupesh should have left his liquor stock behind, isn't it? Can I come and collect them? I'm completely out of stock. I'm sitting and drinking plain water here.
And I'm enjoying my Bloody Mary.
Bloody hell.
By the way, Sumit, sorry, Bhupesh doesn't stock liquor at home.
Okay, then we'll catch up later, Macha.
Hey, no, listen. Hello.
Yeah. What?
I have called to tell you that I wanted you to be the International Service Director for the new board, Sumit.
No, yaar. I'm not interested in this board show and all that. Give me some work, I'll do.
Actually, I want to have the board which is filled with great personalities like you, Sumit. So I have heard during the Malaysia trip, you are the one in charge for all the men's adventure department?
That's nothing. Of late, our club has lost its energy. You please look for someone else. Ask Deepak to do it again. He'll organize a trip to Sri Lanka, Maldives, somewhere. Something he'll do.
Sumit, now let me be honest with you, okay? I want to give you this opportunity. Do you know how many bottles of liquor Deepak got collected during the last trip? Now, think of this as an opportunity. Exactly. We have 40 members in our club. And on an average, say, 2 members per family. 160 liters, Sumit.
Is that so? I can take all their quota?
Of course.
Hey, Macha, I'm in. I want this job. I certainly want this job.
Great. One more thing, Sumit. I'm going to send you a copy of my new book. It's called Drinking Etiquette. It's only $1,000, okay?
Hey, I still have, you sold me 5 bottles, 5 copies last time. Let me finish them first. Okay. But Macha, I want this job. You're not giving me
the book also. Yeah, I'll give you that and I'll send you the book also. Thanks so much, Sumit. Bye.
Okay, bye.
छाया आसमां में, देखो झूमता गगन है छाया आसमां में जहां
Hi, Archie.
Hello. Hi, Nandita.
Sorry to call you so early in the morning.
No, what happened? Anything wrong with Vyapa?
No. Actually, RK, I just saw your Facebook post on calling Aarti an angel. I just had to call you and tell you, you're such an amazing husband. Aarti is so lucky. In fact, I think you are the real neighbor's envy, owner's pride.
What to do? People don't recognize the real talent. Thank you, Nandita. So nice of you. Now tell me, what did you actually call me?
Oh, well, RK, I wanted you to be on the new board.
As anything, Nandita, as anything. We are Vyapa comrades and we have fought for Vyapa when the club didn't support us. And I'll be the vocational service director. And I received the copies of your latest books yesterday. Thank you very much.
Oh, thanks so much, RK. See you then. Bye.
Bye.
छाया आसमां में, देखो झूमता गगन, हे छाया आसमां में जहां।
Hello. Hi, Nandita.
Hi, Madhuri. How are you? How's the family doing?
All well, yeah, all well. What about your end?
All good, Madhuri. Madhuri, I called you to tell you that next year I'm going to be the president of our club and I want you to be on the board as youth services director, Madhuri.
Nandita, very sorry, Nandita. I'm very busy with work and I don't think I'll have time, yeah. Anyways, congrats on your president.
Madhuri, actually right now also, no, I'm calling you from Fab India. Of late, I've been visiting Fab India quite regularly.
Is it so? But I've never seen you wearing a Fab India clothes.
No. I don't go there to buy the clothes. I just go there to admire the interior work. It's fabulous. I must tell you, Madhuri, you should go and check it out. By the way, would you have any idea who's done the interiors for Fab India?
Well, Nandita, I have done them. I'm very happy that you like them. But I can't join the, what did you say? What director?
I said youth services director, Madhuri.
Okay. I don't think I'll have time, Nandita.
No, Madhuri, please, I don't have any energy. You're the 12th person I'm calling. And please don't say no to me. Where will I go? Whom can I ask?
No, Nandita. Don't lose your heart, yeah. I'll join. And you know what? Your books are amazing, yeah. Hey, please don't cry, Nandita.
Thank you so much, Madhuri. I knew it. Those who read my books can never say no to me.
छाया आसमां में, देखो झूमता गगन, हे छाया आसमां में जहां।
Santa.
Hello.
Hi, Santa. How are you?
Hi, Nandita. How are you?
I'm good, Santa. Santa, now I'm the new president of our club and I'm looking for suitable candidates for all the key positions. And whoever I spoke to suggested that I should have you on board as Sergeant at Arms.
I say, I'm very honored. What a privilege to work under you, Nandita. I'm humbled by so many people thinking that I could be useful to the board. And I'm always there to help you. Sometimes adjust panni pogalam.
Super.
In fact, I would have been the president of this club for 2 years. Till this guy Vijay and his friends came and took me to Yerkad and shafted me.
I know. But most people felt that in the future, you should always be there on the board. Just in case there is some problem, you will take over and do all the jobs.
What?
Thanks so much, Santa. Bye.
छाया आसमां में, देखो झूमता गगन, हे छाया आसमां में जहां।
Hello?
Hello, Mehta ji. How are you doing?
Hello, Madam Ji. What a coincidence. I was just reading your book to prepare for my next workshop.
Really? That's so
Uh-huh.
nice of you, Mehta ji. You know, Mehta ji, I've been so busy talking to people and trying to convince them to join my board. And I'm sure you must have also done that, right?
Yes, yes. Someone from that CMC, would have spoken to you, right? Madam Ji, they would have promised you the sky, right? They did that to me too.
Oh, yeah, you're right, Mehta ji. Ram spoke to me and he said that the board has a position for immediate past president. And given the fact that we have worked so well together, I want you to take up that post.
Arey, Madam Ji, but I thought only I could be the immediate past president because I am the immediate past president. Now I understand that there are options. Looks like the district has changed the rule. That is why I say we must stay connected to the district. But the club doesn't listen.
Mehta ji, we can change that together. Okay. Thank you so much, Mehta ji.
Arey, Madam Ji, wait. I need a few copies of your book.
Oh, sorry, Mehta ji, but the paperback ones have run out of print. I have only the hardbound with me. That is 5,000 per book. I'll send you 10 copies, okay? Bye.
Hello.
There's something wrong with Mehta ji. He's ordering my books. Maybe it is the after effect of being president. They just get used to spending money.
Having onboarded 12 members and sold a good number of her books, Nandita is a confident woman. She is no longer a scapegoat. She feels like a lion. Nandita's boat is now all set to sail. The neighbors envy Crocodile is returning disappointed. It will certainly return the next year because it knows that Mid-City will have the same crisis next year too. But what it doesn't know is that whenever there is a crisis, every Mid-Citian will come forward to support one another. Though she received little help from Ram, she thinks it is her duty to update him. Sweet girl.
Hey, Nandita.
Hey Ram, how are you?
I am very well, Nandita. So, have you finalized your board?
Yes, Ram. With great difficulty, I have convinced the people. All 12 members are in place. Thank you so much, Ram, for your support.
Now, Nandita, you have taken on a big responsibility for the club. I know how difficult it would be when your spouse is not around to support you. But I know you will do a fantastic job. All the best to you.
Thank you so much, Ram.
Nandita, I only hope you have kept to the strict guidelines of the CMC. Huh? That's very important.
Guidelines? What are these guidelines?
Basically, it's all about trying to keep the past presidents away from the board.
Oh, that. Yes. I only have the IPP, the CPP, and the VPP.
Huh? IPP, I know, is immediate past president. The others?
CPP, continuous past president, Santa.
Oh, and VPP?
Vyapar past president, RK.
Oh, I see. You know, I'm a little out of touch. I've not attended meetings for over 4 years now. I will ask Ashok to update the CMC vocabulary. By the way, Nandita, I'm a bit upset. There are only 2 women on the board, Nandita.
Oh, Ram, there is a CMC guideline for that as well?
No, it's not a CMC guideline. It's my own guideline. Anyway, I'm happy that after 7 years, there is at least a woman president again, Nandita. But please focus on inducting more women members. It's very important for the health of the club. Maybe even I'll start attending more meetings after that.
Thank you, Ram. See, Ram, now I need to go and get ready for the installation. And you must come on Zoom. I'll introduce you to all our new members who've joined the club in the last 5 years.
Of course, Nandita. I am already getting ready. All the best to you, Nandita.
Thank you, Ram.